Hello. In this video, you will learn how to download the list of participants after the completed event in Proficonf. The list of participants can be downloaded in a completed instant or scheduled event. For permanent rooms, downloading the list of participants is not available because the virtual room is updated and all data is cleared after the event is over. Go to the Completed tab on the Events page. To the right of the name of the selected event, click the three-dot button and select Download Participants from the drop-down menu. The list of participants will be downloaded as a CSV file. The file will contain the names and email addresses of participants. The file can be downloaded and opened with any text editor on your computer or mobile device. Please note, email of unregistered participants who have followed the invitation link will not be displayed in the list of participants. In order to display email in the list of participants, participants must be invited by email. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.